Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and Santa brought you lots of nice things. So anyway, I started this before Christmas and just got around to finishing it today, and I'm going to share it with you. So this one is called Days Gone By, and it's a vintage style junk journal with a fabric cover. There is, sorry, I'm out of breath, just been dashing around. 8 1/4 by 5, one signature, and 60 pages front and back. It is quite chunky, as you can see. This lovely fabric which I've stitched on. Can't remember. There's something in between this and the fabric, and I don't know what it is. So we've got a butterfly here on a heart. Printed this out on my full memo. If you don't know what one of them is, it's one of these. I shall show you. I've had it a few years now. I don't really use it to its potential, but it comes in handy when I'm looking for words or looking for little things for like my own junk journals and things. So that's what that is. So let's go inside. This will be for sale in my shop, and today only it will have free shipping. There is other journals in my shop with free shipping at the moment, and other journals reduced, so take a peek. Anyway, so that is, let me just find the center. That's the cover. This is like a, what do you call it, a textile fabric, so you can feel different things going on the cover. Here is, I think this is from, it's actually mine, it's freebie. Yeah, it's a freebie. And this background, don't know what that's from. I think that's one of my tags. And then this piece of paper there with the little dots on it is from Bohemian Crafting. Excuse me. And that's just some coffee dyed paper, and as you can see, I've done lots of stitching on there. The heart, I just cut that out on my Cricut. Butterflies ARTYmaze. So let's go inside. This is a wallpaper, that's what it is. And then it's got 12x12 cardstock between the wallpaper and the fabric to give it some sturdiness. I cannot remember where I got this paper from. And here we have got, as you can see, it is quite chunky. Whoops, little piece coming off the ruffle there. Papers have been coffee dyed. Tags, this is one of my tags from something. I've done some little like collage in there. These are from, can't remember who they're from. Might be Pixie, is it Pixie Dust Files? This paper here in the background that you can't see much of now is from Your Creative Studio. You can go back to a couple of videos ago and you will see that unboxing that I done. And this is from either ARTYmaze or TaylorMadeJournals. Then I made some little booklets again using that's TaylorMadeJournals paper. This is for, I know that is from Pixie Dust Digital Files. These are from the Old Design Shop, and the butterfly is from these stickers that I got from where did I get them from? I think I might have got them from Temu, I can't remember. I actually don't, I think they were the ones I can't remember ordering. Anyway, they turned up with an order. So inside here we have got I left little piece of the strings here along just in case somebody wants to do something with them. Like you could add little hearts or like little dangly things on there. So there's 4 of these throughout the journal. This is from Bohemian Crafting. Then we've got this, which is, who is that? That is, I think that is Ruby and Pearl. These are tags from, I'll link all my bits below as well, because I'm always linking everybody else and I don't link me, like the individual things. Right, this is either ARTYmaze or TaylorMadeJournals. It's like letter ephemera, and that goes in there like so. I know this is TaylorMadeJournals. This is paper from Your Creative Studio from that unboxing Was that the month of September, I think. Just made these tags up. I had made them for another journal and I had some left over, so I popped that in there. And then some more letter ephemera. Just think they're nice because you can do lots of journaling on them, and you can tuck things inside, or you can tear this up and do other things with it. Then here I made some pockets. These are my tags. This is from Pixie Dust files as well, butterflies, ARTYmaze, and then these are from the old design shop. We've got some lined paper there with little decorative piece there. It's what, you know, where you pull it out of the book. There's a little bit of lace trim on the paper clip. Some nice coffee dyeing there. Actually, I've done lots of coffee dyeing today with a spray bottle, because you get that kind of look with a spray bottle rather than when you brush it on. Right, done this years and years ago. Haven't done it in a while, but I was inspired by Narissa Bailey years ago, probably about 8 years ago, when I'd seen one of her journal flip throughs, and she had, I think it was 3 envelopes that she'd had, and I loved that idea, and literally haven't done it in so long. So that was where I got the original idea from. Inside there we've got a little postcard. The postcard and these are from Your Creative Studio, and I backed them onto some index card, and that was the stencils that I got with that box. Ruby and Pearl, backed that onto some coffee dyed paper. So we've got that, and then that lifts up there, and we've got another little journal card there from Ruby and Pearl. And I made the envelopes using coffee dyed paper and my envelope punch board. This is TaylorMadeJournals, and this is a fabric ruffle. Then here we've got this. I think this is TaylorMadeJournals. Could be wrong. Could be ARTYmaze. But everyone is pretty much linked below, to, like, directly to their Etsy store. So that's my tags and my journal cards there. Just topped that. And then another little one of these. Pixie Dust and sticker butterfly. And these are from the old design shop. Well, we have some lined paper, and I put that through my binder, which is this contraption, which is for binding, like, with wire ring things. A tag that I'd made. That background is, I think it's mine, and these I think are from Pixie Dust, and the label, the little number label there, is from the old design shop, ARTYmaze. And then a little cluster there, and that was I done some more excuse me, my voice has gone all croaky. I done some more die cuts with the hearts and done stamping on them, and that's because I'd done loads of them like way before Christmas, and I'd run out, so I done some more. Don't know where that came from. It is a digital. Had it years and years, so who knows. Another tag there. This is Ruby and Pearl. This is ARTYmaze. Little trim ruffle there. Another tag. That's my tag in the background, and this is little journal card. Don't know if I'm not sure if the journal cards are freebie or not. I can't remember. Another one of these little postcards with the stenciling. That was the other stencil that you got in the September box, and these meant to say with the other one, these are rub-ons, so I used them as well. So I will link Your Creative Studio below as well, and my unboxing video, or I'll put it on the screen. I know how to do that now. Yeah, so I'll probably still link it below as well. That is one of mine. So yeah, it's one of my digitals. Again, this is Ruby and Pearl. That is my tag in the background. Center of the signature, and we have got hearts on a string. And I don't. That is actually from one of my papers that I had punched them. So you've got journal space there and here. got another little booklet there. They're just so cute to make. And you know, when you've got all these little scrap pieces of paper, you can just make up little things like that. This was from a leftover journal. These images are ARTYmaze. That goes in there. This is another one of my tags. If I can get it out. It's stuck. There we go. There we go. Butterflies ARTYmaze. The number label is the Old Design Shop, and this is Pixie Dust, and this is TaylorMadeJournals, I believe. Because like I said, I started this before Christmas, and obviously didn't get it finished, and I haven't crafted in over a week, so no, I normally remember kind of everything, but I've slept since then. Another rub-on the postcard. You get these in a pack. Like I said, go back, watch the video, you'll see what I got. A little bit of stenciling there. Wasn't so, I done it quite lightly on there, and then took the stencil off and couldn't match it back up again, so it's quite faint on there. But yeah, postcards are cool. That is one of my tags. Little flip there with a cluster. Yeah, we've got another, oh, excuse me, I'm going to yawn. Oh, that's rude, isn't it? I must be tired. Christmas is exhausting. Anyway, another cluster there, stitching. Another one of these little booklets. Like I said, there was 4 in total that I made. These images are so pretty. I do believe these come in other colours. I've got the pink set. There is a blue and possibly a greeny colour. I can't remember. Purple maybe. Something like that. Another tag here. That's, sorry, I didn't even show you that. That's Ruby and Pearl, and the background. The tag in the background is one from one of my kits. That just goes in there. That is, I think, Pixie Dust. I could be wrong on that. That's one of my tags. I think, believe it or not, that is actually from a little Halloween thing that I put up. So check that out if you want the background tags. You don't have to use, I think there was like 6 background tags with that. So little... Oh, some more stenciling with the stencils from Your Creative Studio. I don't know where that was from. I think that's mine. I don't know where the paper came from. Another little cluster. Another tag there. Paper in the background is Ruby and Pearl. And then this. I need to pull that a little bit. Yep. Don't know if... Literally sat this big. This is a big duvet cover that's going to get... destroyed. I'm going to turn that into covers and whatever else I can get out of it, but it's actually a really nice pattern, so I've just sat it there because my white thing is dirty. Another fabric ruffle, big tag here. That background is from one of my kits. Don't know which one it is, but it's from one of them. And this is Ruby and Pearl, I think. Another little postcard here, with a little sticker on there. Some more of these letter ephemeras, either from ARTYmaze or TaylorMadeJournals. Another tag here, which is from one of my kits. A little bit of ruffle there. Here we've got, I don't know where that came from, Ruby and Pearl in the background. This is actually one of mine. Oh, it's what's the name of that kit? Can't remember. Something Rose, maybe. I'll link it below. This was paper from Your Creative Studio. Love that coffee dyeing. So I just put that in there, and then we just paper clip that on here like so. Got a little bit of lace trim there. We've got lined paper there, another cluster here. Paper clips got a little bit fabric on there. And then this is from one of my kits. It is that way. Yeah, because this was my original French ephemera, like from my own personal stash. That goes in there. We've got a little flip here. That again is mine. So is the background tag. The paper below is Ruby and Pearl. We've got, oh, if I can get that out, a Ruby and Pearl image here, and that's one of my background tags. This I think is pixie dust. If it's not pixie dust, then I don't know whose it is. So let me see if we can get that in, because I remember that being a bit tight because it's getting a bit chunky. Here we've got another tag and another piece. Again, this is from one of my kits. Here we go. And I think that's it. This paper again in the background, which was really pretty, but I ended up covering it over, was from Your Creative Studio, and that is the back. So there's lots going on, and like I said, this will be for today only, free shipping. It is a big journal. Like, what was the one that I've done another one, can't remember what it was called. Memory Lane. Big journal, good couple of days. I mean, like I said, I started this before Christmas, like a couple of days before Christmas, and just managed to get that. Look, I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so there we go. Another journal if you're interested. All the links will be below. If I don't come back on before the end of December, which I probably will, but I'm just going to say now, Happy New Year to you all, just in case I don't. Happy New Year to you all, wishing you all health and happiness, and yes, I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.